Dear friends and colleagues, today I want to delight you with new generation appliances. It's DETA RITM and DETA AP devices. How do these appliances differ from 4th generation devices? First of all, the legend plate on the back side, where the icons are indicated, such as read the instructions, for domestic use, protect from moisture, temperature ranges, electromagnetic, radiation and most importantly the medical device certificate, Directive 9342. It means that the appliance is made according to the most strict medical device directive in the European Union. The device is certified in all 26 countries of the European Union. How is it functionally different from 4th generation appliances? When we turn on the device, we see that the display has completely changed. Now a multi-touch display has been applied at the appliance, allowing to scroll programs easily like on a smartphone. The next aspect is that the therapeutic effect is determined primarily by the accuracy of the frequency setting. In this device, 0.01 Hz at the edge of the range for the DETA AP, thus, it reproduces the frequency 10 times more accurately, unlike the 4th generation appliances. Its second distinctive feature is that it has an increased radiation power up to 5 volts. So we understand that the radiation power determines the depth of penetration into the body if the device operates in the transparency range of the body. If the appliance operates in the transparency range of the body, for example at 24 MHz, then the radiation intensity determines the electromagnetic load. The device operates in the transparency range of the body, so the radiation intensity is determined by the penetration depth. In the menu, you can set the date and time, select one of 9 languages, set the switch-off time of the appliance and display. You can turn off the sound, so that the device won't beep at night when it switches off. You can also turn off the blinking of the LED, which indicates the running of program, so that the appliance hangs on the neck and doesn't attract attention. There is another mode, we can choose the radiation power. That is, adjust it from 10% to 90%, simulating the radiation intensity of the 2nd, 3rd and 4th generation devices. Thus, 90% is the radiation intensity of the 5th generation appliances. Another distinctive feature is that the display shows the percentage of battery charge. That is, the device has an intelligent battery care system, thus, the battery charge and battery discharge are fully regulated in automatic mode, maximizing the battery life. The next distinctive feature of this appliance is that now it has not 20 programs, but 30 programs. To be more exact, it has 30 manual programs and 5 automatic ones. The database for this device has been completely changed and now it is possible to select a program that runs immediately all 6 programs. Before we had to choose different 6 programs, and now we select one program and it runs in automatic mode with 5-minute intervals, as Royal Rife recommended. Speaking about the DETA RITM, it also has a number of interesting things. There is no more talk about the accuracy of the frequency setting in the DETA RITM appliance, since it is already impossible to measure the frequency setting accuracy with any frequency meter. We can also open the menu and set the date and time, select a language, set the switch-off time of the device and display, turn off the sound and the LED and set the radiation power, simulating the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th generation appliances, thus, 90% is the radiation intensity of 5th generation devices. The next interesting opportunity is to set the runtime of the program. If we set the time as recommended in the program and exit, turn on active protection, then we get 40 minutes for the program. Now, if we open the menu, select the time and the age, then set my date of birth and run the program active protection, the appliance shows 47 minutes 20 seconds. Thus, for my age, in order to get the best therapeutic effect, the optimal time for the active protection program is 47 minutes 20 seconds. The device allows you to set 3 ages, for a child, for an adult and for an elderly person, that is, 3 dates of birth, automatically rebuilding the program. The appliance is optimal for each family member. You can set the launch of the program, for example, at the takeoff of the aircraft time, so that the program runs while the plane takes off. Thus, the device will adjust the gastrointestinal tract and you won't get airsick during takeoff or landing. What a great feature this appliance has! It also has 30 manual programs and 5 automatic ones. Now, if we look at the user manual, it is written in English, as it should be in Europe, and it says that the device is made in accordance with Medical Device Directives 9342. The appliance can be used in clinics, hospitals, research and medical centers and at home. It is also indicated in the manual that the manufacturer guarantees compliance with Medical GO CN 60601, etc. There is also a decoding of the icons from the backside of the device and a detailed description of how to use it. In accordance with the requirements of the European Commission, the rules for storage, transportation, use, disposal of the appliance and so on are also indicated. All requirements are met even in accordance with the documentation. These devices of a new generation will soon be on sale. In accordance with this, the program of the Therapy 9 programmer has been changed, into which new programs for 5th generation devices have already been introduced. You will be able to see them as soon as you purchase 5th generation appliances. There is a completely different base with the ability to combine these programs. Different base with the ability